Imagine getting paid $30 to $150 an hour to train the very AI models that might replace your job one day. Sounds like Silicon Valley fan fiction, right? That's what I thought until I dug into Handshake AI. This is a brand new AI fellowship spun out of Handshake, the $3.5 billion job platform used by over 18 million students across 1,500 universities. They're recruiting master's and PhD students to train large language models for major AI labs. No AI background required, just deep expertise in your field. Projects last a few weeks to a few months, fully remote, flexible hours, and paid weekly. You're basically peer-reviewing AI in your own discipline, which is equal parts impressive and mildly terrifying. But before you rush to apply, here's where the record scratches. Handshake's parent company has a rough reputation. Trustpilot complaints, reports of unauthorized charges totaling thousands of dollars, employers getting billed repeatedly, refunds going unanswered, even FTC complaints. That's not nothing. Now, Handshake AI claims to be completely separate. Different team, different systems, launched mid-2025. Payments go through Deal, a legitimate HR platform. Fellows I looked into report stable, upfront pay rates that don't change mid-project, paid onboarding, and consistent Wednesday payouts. One physics PhD told me the rate was posted clearly and never moved, so structurally it checks out. But the parent company's history is still the elephant in the room. So is Handshake AI legit? Yes, it's a real, paid opportunity working with top AI labs backed by a company with massive academic reach. But it's not risk-free. Anything you create belongs to them and their partner labs. Quality standards are strict. Use AI to do the work and your invoice gets nuked. And if something goes wrong, you're still dealing with a company that has a documented track record of billing chaos. My advice, read the contract carefully, track your hours obsessively, and set up payment alerts. If you're a US-based grad student with valuable expertise, this could be solid income. Just go in with your eyes open. Question everything, and don't let good marketing distract you from real risk.